Ciao friends, welcome to a new video at SQL BI. In this video we will see, one moment, Alberto, I was recording a video, come on.
Marco, it's here, it arrived.
Oh,
It's here,
great.
we have it, yeah,
Okay.
YouTube, that's
Okay.
100,000 users.
Alberto, I prepared a video, I was recording a video, so
That's perfect.
Get a seat.
That's just
No,
perfect.
I think
Unboxing
we're
video,
gonna-
unboxing video, unboxing video, unboxing video.
Okay, come on, wait.
Is it recording? Everything is fine? I need a
Yes,
cutter,
it's
cutter. Where's my cutter? Where's my
I think
cutter?
this one should work.
Cutter.
Okay.
That's great. Let's have a look at that. Oh.
Wait. This one. Open it. Oh. Don't cut me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh. It's a black.
Still black.
Okay.
Letter.
We have to read it. Do you remember your first subscriber? I don't. Your
I don't.
100th, your 1000th? Chances are it's too long. Alberto.
Yeah, too long. That's congratulations. Thank you.
Okay.
This is it.
Okay, wait. Don't. Oh.
Too much plastic here.
Too much plastic. Okay.
Isn't it great? Presented to SQL BI
for passing
100,000 customers.
Nice.
Subscribers, not customers. at
Yeah,
YouTube.
subscribers.
That's
With
beautiful.
customer, we will have
It
had
will
a
be just
better
perfect on my
focus,
wall.
No,
I already see that.
no. This is for my wall.
No?
You're in another office, right?
Now, I brought it here, so this is mine.
No, come on. You went to the reception and you brought a box. So
That's
it's
a lot
just
of
20
work.
meters.
That's a lot of work.
That's
And I
not a
totally
lot of work.
deserve it. Yes.
But this is for my.
Okay. We're still recording. So
Yeah, okay.
we need to,
Yeah.
what do we say? Well, thank you guys. And you know what it means? That's 100,000 users
Wait.
using SQL BI.
100,000 users that write DAX code
Yes.
and then know us.
Yes.
So if
That's a
you-
lot.
no privacy. Okay, that's okay.
That's cool.
okay,
That's
so-
it. We unboxed it. How
yeah,
do we close the
I think,
video?
the user way.
Okay.
Okay.
Enjoy DAX.